Yeah, I've been patient, I've been locked in on the go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Treat the morning like a moment I've been built for. Wrist tight, mind calm, that's a real score. Everybody wanna flex what they think they know, but the river doesn't brag, man, it just shapes stone. If it's not my setup, I don't touch it, let it pass. Every force trade ends with me looking back. So I breathe in, breathe out, let the market do its dance. And the patience that I practice turn the future to my hands. Ain't the same as last week, whole new mind. Water in the groove, yeah, I flow in my time. Let the fear fade out, let the greed decline. I'm aligned with the grind, stay refined in the climb. Yeah, I've been patient, I've been go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline the crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Show up, slow up, let the noise blow up. I don't fold up. Wave ride, same tide, every sunrise. Give me new eyes. Stone grind, long time, water carved lines. If you show up, no rush, no clutch, patience be the code that I go by. I don't chase wins, I chase discipline. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I just settle in. Every loss is just a lesson that'll tighten my spin. Every candle on the chart make me better again. Yeah, I've been
Yo, 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 yo. Good morning. What's up? Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing? Hope everyone had a good weekend. Hope you're ready to get back after it and take some good trades. But it's Monday. We're at all-time highs. Are we going to get the opportunity? I don't know, man. What's up? What we got here? Kevbot, what's up? Jay Legendary, how you doing? Let's fix this camera here. This way. There we go. Yeah, that's a little better. What's up, Froggy? How you feeling? Strega Heart, what's going on? Barona, Cyrus. Banger Street says feeling regular. JK, I'm jacked to tits. Got me in the first half, not gonna lie. What's up there, Tom? How you doing? Very nice. Slee, how you doing? Ayo, Kevin. Peace and love, how you doing? Riley, what's going on? Good morning, Javier. Eddie, what's going on with you? Lori, how you doing? David. What up, what up, what up? How's everyone doing? How you freaking doing? Oh, I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah. Wrong button.
I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay. All right. Getting everything sorted over here. Just the trade copier's kind of messed up on me a few times. I want to have Rhythmic open so I can kill any trades if something goes wrong. Get that squared away. Art tour. There's new art in the walls behind me. That Rachel did. We're not going to do an art tour right now, though. Market's going to open here in 5 seconds. Let's have a great day. And off we go.
This is all wet and slick and it's ready to go.
Overnight highs, previous day high, up around 400 level. What's that from again? This?
I'm feeling pretty.
That's from Curb Your Enthusiasm. There's a blast higher. Going for PDH here. Overnight highs and 400 level. Man, that was like a really, really quick 120, well, 100 points. Just long the open, boys. Cheat code. Yeah, no kidding. A little divergence or discrepancy between kind of overnight high and previous day high levels. So previous day high on ES is 7 points above its overnight high. And on NASDAQ, we just tagged previous day highs. So key levels there on both to watch out for. There's overnight highs on NASDAQ. So I'm trading 4 take profit trader accounts. The highest one's actually at $944. And I have one at $619 and then others at $540. Just taking it slow on those. It's a 5-day evaluation period, so definitely no rush. 5 days to make $1,500. So $300 a day would do the trick. Okay, through 400 level now. Nice, Eddie. Yeah, those 25K is pretty good. And honestly, it's more comparable to... I mean, it's like between a standard 25K and a 50K kind of. It's like a 30K account. Let's make 1,500 without losing 1,500. It's not bad. What's up, El Nawa? How you doing? What's up, Ken? All right. So PDH and overnight highs are taken out, along with the 400 level, all on NASDAQ. ES does previous day highs up at 27 3/4. What's up, Arnesis? How you doing? Ken, how you doing? Take Profit Trader. They were never necessarily on the naughty list. I ranked them B in my video because their customer support was slacking and the intraday trailing drawdown after you get funded. They improved customer support. I reached out to them, I think twice. They got back to me in a few minutes. So that's been improved. They still have, obviously, the intraday trailing, but, you know, you can get through it, get to the buffer, then it stops trailing. So short-term discomfort for potential daily payouts. So, yeah, you know, I think they're still pretty solid. That's right. Slow and steady wins the race. Yep. So many times. I would have gotten so many more payouts if I focused on slow and steady instead of just trying to get, you know, swing for the fences, etc. All right. Pull back about 40, 50 points now. PDH. ES just sitting on those overnight high levels. NAS potentially going to come back and retest VWAP here. There's some divergence that we've gotten accustomed to here between ES and NASDAQ. All right, VWAP incoming here. We'll try a long here. All right, say a quick 100 points. 100 bucks there, not 100 points. Well, wish it was a quick 100 points. No, 100 bucks. Trade copier worked all right that time. Good to see. What's up, Jose? How you doing? Savvy Taco, what's up? You like longs too, but you gotta wait till 9:40 per your rules. Fair enough. All right, I think it best not to overstay my welcome in an early trade like that. Of course, I'd love to get a retest of 400 and you know, make my profit for the day, but I definitely don't want to take wouldn't want to take like a $300 loss right out the gates here. So I think I like the idea just to get 10 points there and look for the next opportunity now. Again, the profit goal on an account, on a 25K account like this is, what, I mean, $300. So like, you know, 1/3 of the way there in, you know, 15 seconds, like, just take it. That's what I'm thinking. Well, ES went and made new highs. PDH just a few points away now. NAS did a little retest of PDH there and rejected. All right. Anyone do anything fun over the weekend? Well, close to that 400 retest I mentioned earlier. NASDAQ, or sorry, ES pretty much hitting PDH now, as NASDAQ is kind of stuck at PDH as well. It's kind of interesting. ES grinding higher, but both at PDH now. What's up, Rob? How you doing? Got some pretty risky option plays right now, looking for this energy stock to break out, but who knows if it actually will. Wish you the best of luck. Well, good luck on that stuff. So T-Rex, how you doing? Pranav, how you doing? Man, chat, you guys are very focused on the market today. It's very, very quiet in here. Hope you are finding some good trades. Can NASDAQ pop 400 here? Trying to lose some more accounts. 1 sec. We have all-time highs fatigue. Yeah, I feel that. ES looks a lot more tradable at the moment than NASDAQ. There's a zero print there at 74.29 3/4 on ES. Look like I'm battling demons right now. I'm battling the auto recenter on the Dom. Real divergence there. Real divergence playing out. Now it's pretty much back to VWAP. A little tempted to try another long here, but just scalping another 10 points. I don't know if the risk reward's worth it here because we're right above VWAP. Let's see what happens here at V1. Getting through VWAP now. What's up, Jake? How you doing, man? How was your weekend? Any cool stories? Zero print hit there. This right here is the 1 minute chart. J Academy, what's up? How you doing? All right. Now it's rejecting view up now. See if it does it again. Jasper, what's up? You caught 2 shorts. Done on Lucid. Nicely done. Another view up rejection so far. El Boogie is long MES. All that buying that came in down here. Right around that zero print I mentioned. Riley, you love the TPT 25K accounts. I think I remember you talking about them. Yeah, they're really good accounts. So 50% off, no activation fees. Pretty good deal. I think that's going on all week, if I'm not mistaken. All right, let's head lower. I mean, that was 300 hit there. TPT banned your friend for spoofing on micro contracts. Was he actually spoofing or just like some canceling a few trades here and there? Trent says, shout out to Tradeify, by the way. I bought a 25K account to mess around on London with, and I forgot to use my discount code, Dan. And I messaged their support, and they refunded me the difference. Very nice. It was a live account? That's weird. It's weird they did that. I mean, if they know you're copy trading 5 live accounts, you know, it should give you like their rules, their detection systems, or whatever, should adjust to the 5x factor, you know? All right. Jake, did you watch The Devil Wears Prada 2? I saw that with Rach. It's pretty boring, I thought. First one's fine, you know, you go in there, it's a, you know, chick flick, but it's, you know, pretty funny. Devil Wears Prada 2, I thought was not that funny and pretty boring. Is TBT still no cap on payouts? I think they have don't they move you live after 10K or something? Isn't that their deal? Scalped a cheeky long there. Nice trend. Very cheeky. We got a 300 hold there and then the spike up through VWAP on NAS. ES just kind of consolidating after that pullback to that 29 level. Back into VWAP here. If we can just close back under VWAP, I would like to see us go after overnight lows. Obviously, we found a fair amount of support in this little area here. Probably raise that zone actually to here. We have found a fair amount of support in like the 40s to 60s there. Overnight lows at 25. Right now, still above VWAP. Oh, Anthony says, after I hit 10K, I was emailed and asked if I wanted to go live. I was able to make another 15K without them forcing me to move to live. Oh, that's cool. Guillermo, what's going on with you? How you doing? Kind of looks like the long is good to me, Jasper. 300 hold back above VWAP. Long to the 80s maybe. To me seems reasonable. Volume is really low on ES. It's just doing nothing right now. Digital Nukes, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. All right, here's 380. Here's this trend line, PDH. This is where I'd be taking profit if I scalped that long, but like Jasper mentioned, long 48. It's tempting to want to short those. The more you look at ES, the more you think it's going to have to move down to find the fuel to move up. Yeah. Have you seen this TBT promo? Yeah, I mean, I posted it in chat there. It's a poll. And, you know, the other thing I did, it's a new thing I had the engineer build out, but over on Prop from Gorilla, we now have flash sales that I can add. So TBT flash sale is in the corner there. Pretty cool, I think. Yeah, shorts looked a little tempting. A little tempting to me. Ooh. Well, I wouldn't want to see that. Well, okay then. Maybe I'm okay with that. That was a great rejection there at PDH. Wow. Shit. Excuse me. A little tired. And look at that wick, man. This to me feels like the tale of, pun intended, the tale of shorts. And it was a nice move, and then before you target, a buy up, and you're just like, come on. Okay, you're going 2 micro short. Good luck. Maybe we have a double top in store. I don't know. Watch PDH here and see if it rejects yet again. Jasper, just added mini. Are you short? So 15-minute closed out. Back at overnight highs here. Long, same long since 348. Oh yeah, I forgot you're in that. Well, nice trade, nice hold. I figured for a scalp you'd be in and out after the breakout, but nice hold. Oh man. Felt like a kind of a long, slow 100-point move off the low of the session. It really is only, what, 19 minutes? Just felt very slow. What's up, Botan? How you doing? Any trades today? Taking one personally. So long at 354. Took a quick 10 points. What's up, Leo? I'm doing all right. You're not trading this week. Feel like you need the break? Fair enough. I felt like that kind of at the end of last week. I was like, I'm kind of tired of this. All right. I think I got a little bit more coffee left. I'm going to go grab it. I'll be right back. I'm back. Nothing happened. Glad to see it. Dan, do you journal after each trading day? No, I'm trying to get back in it, though. Trying. I mean, do I just long this? Because why not? Because if we just keep going up and up and up. And look at ES. Look what ES did. Just pumped new highs there. NASDAQ obviously showing some divergence from ES here. 1500 locked in. Nice trade, Jasper. Very nice. You are an inspiration. Rip, rip, rip. That's all it knows, man. Trading your worst habit at all-time highs is not letting trades run. Yeah, I know, because it always feels like, well, that's gone enough, or, well, we're coming to this level, whatever. I definitely relate to that. Ethan, you're gonna get TPT 50K? Yeah, I feel almost the same thing with Lucid too. Lucid and Tradeify, I just haven't traded that well. There's a drop to PDH there, 390. Who was thinking about a 390? Trent, you're thinking about 390 long. There we are. I mean, look at this drop on NASDAQ that ES has not yet participated in. Let's get an eye on VIX. Don't have VIX open at the moment. See you, Tom. All right, here we go. Can we get to 260? Okay, 300 level. It's a great drop there. You're in long, 300. Good luck. Look at the 15-minute candles today. Look at these. Oh, what fun stuff. I'm looking for 260 all the way down to 240s. And then, you know, if we can work through here, overnight lows look good. I wouldn't be surprised though if we do hit, this is the green zone here, and get a little bit of a bounce. That's why the zone's here. So for me, maybe look for a bounce around 300, and then maybe there's the short on the table down to overnight lows. That would be something I would be pretty interested in. Something like that. So let's see how this shakes out. What's the bubble indicator on the left called? This is a order flow heat map. If you've heard of Bookmap, it's kind of like that. Chat, can we hit the thumbs up button on the stream? I just realized how low it is and I got so sad. I tie the amount of likes to my self-worth. All right, we might have the momentum. We do have VWAP on ES, but we might have the momentum to tap overnight lows first. But could be a little bounce, depending on what happens here at VWAP. Green zone getting us a bounce so far. I'll click it twice, don't worry. El Nawe. Sorry to hear that, man. We'll see you later. Coming into 300 level again. Well, I think you can count this wiki. I think you can count that as a VWAP test, a VWAP bounce. Yeah, consistency filter on prop from Gorilla. What would that look like to you? And do you want funded or evaluation consistency? I assume you'd want funded consistency rule. And you'd want me to, you want to be able to filter by firms that, or plans that don't have a consistency rule once funded, right? Is that what you want? What's the indicator on the left? I already answered that. It's the order flow heat map. Good luck, Jasper. Looks like you're maybe printing some money here. Whoops. Okay, Fufu. I would have to see if I can. I'll see if I can add that. I'll put it on my list. See if that's something we can implement rather easily. For Lucid, what's the live transfer for like a 50k flex? I don't know. I'm not really super well versed in the live programs. Just go to their, let's pull up their help section. And go to live trading probably. The new live structure. After receiving the final payout 5 on your plan, you may go live, depending on what their team thinks. You'll get 1 live account per eligible funded account. Here's VWAP test. I might short this. Wow, it's pretty quick movement here. But it looks like live accounts begin with 0 starting balance. And so 50K, your starting live drawdown would be $2,000. That's just from their help section there. Nice job, Jasper. Justine, what's up? Good morning. Need VWAP to hold here. Stopped out. Well, it was a great bounce of my Jizu here. That was a perfect zone for us to bounce at. So, I don't know, reshorting VWAP, I like the idea, but maybe stop needed to be a little bit higher. Maybe it's wrong altogether, we'll see. Well. On top of VWAP here. I like Take Profit Trader, but I was looking at their site. It's really outdated. Let me show you this. Just it was funny little laugh here, for me anyway. Look at their comparison chart. Difference between Take Profit Trader and other companies. Like, did they make this like 10 years ago? So how long to fund it? 5 days on Take Profit Trader, up to 60 days with other companies. Who has a 60-day eval in this day and age? In the year of our Lord 2026, who's got a 60 minimum days until first withdrawal? 0 after you're funded. 20 to 60 days. What companies have 20 to 60 days to a payout? Not a lot that I know of. Withdrawal payout process immediate. There, yeah, okay. Drawn out. Maybe it's kind of vague, but pro account resets. That's like back to funded kind of thing. I think up to 3. No resets available. TopSip has it, and is there one other company that is back to funded kind of thing? And then fees for pro account, monthly recurring. Even Apex got rid of their monthly recurring fee. I don't know anyone that does a monthly recurring fee for a funded account. Sporadic. It's just so funny. Like, none of that is accurate to me. Move. What's up, Run Boy? How you doing? You sold now? You're trying to take 120? 120 points? Bro, I'm at 10 days with Apex, currently still waiting on a payout. 10 days since you requested a payout? No, to 120. Oh, you want to see it move down to 120? Okay. That'd be a nice pullback. I did have a zone. Let's see. I drew a zone other than that green one. Oh, all the way down here's my Jizu. 9. Under 29K. Yeah, I might not see that today. We'll see. Yeah, 10 business days since request, still no deposit. Yeah, that's a bit long. Especially when you compare that with other firms that do, you know, Lucid does a 2-minute payout essentially. Jasper back in longs. All right, good luck, man. It's been going your way so far. Why not? Spike up to PDH again. All right, PDH tap, rejection. Can I get movement off this? You've noticed on shorts in this market, try to take profit once the prior pivot low has been taken out, because price always seems to aggressively reverse afterwards. Yeah, I think taking profits quicker in shorts has, it's been the move. Well, too far in this move to try a long. Too risky to try a short, so gotta wait for a better level. That was 138 points there. Wow. We're at 17 points there. You got the exact same reverse level I marked out there, the green zone there. Yeah, we bounced at that many times overnight. Pair of tum-tums. Yeah, I mean, that held so nicely, but look, I have a hard time. It's hard to buy, even when I like my levels. When we just kind of waterfall off, it's like hard just to be like to trust it, and it ended up being great. Trend trusted it. Trend was long, and it was right. It's hard to know. Okay, are we gonna actually get a better hit of VWAP or even move through it a little bit? Because sometimes ES will slice through VWAP fairly easily. I like that pull back there to 360. I wouldn't mind trying along. Down there. Hey, you are, Eddie. What's up? Got back funded on Lucid. First position was 2MNQ. Just kidding. I forgot to switch over from NQ. Oh, man. That sucks, dude. That happened to me on a fresh pair. You know, I was like I think I was long 2 minis. I was like, shit. It's supposed to be micros. I got a bad fill. This is like during Globex. I got a bad fill too on it. And then I got just kind of tilted. And I was like, shit. So I blew him like instantly. Sucks. Watching here, I might see if, look at ES there. I might try a long. I'd rather be long in the 60s, but may have missed it. What's up, Parsha? How you doing? See, Eddie, that's kind of similar to me. Is I think it was March was really solid for me, and then April was blood red. I think after you come off a good month, you go into, if you go back to evals, you go kind of aggressive because you're like, well, I just did well, so you know, I'll do it again. But yeah. Got any fundeds at the moment? I think I haven't even logged in yet. I think Top Step accounts are almost cooked. There's 2 of them left. Had another red day on Friday, so they have like, one has $60 to draw down left, the other one has $140 to draw down. So those are pretty much done, unfortunately. That one really hurts because they were so fucking close to a payout. There's the pop higher. There's kind of some boring ass stuff here. So 400 level, overnight highs. High day is 434 3/4. What coffee should I next have? What do you mean? I don't even know what you currently had. I don't know, man. Like, honestly, I drink filter coffee. That's probably the most common coffee in America, especially to make at home. I like an Americano. Ice is my all-time favorite, like a cold brew. Last month and a half on NASDAQ makes me feel stupid. Well, it's been stupid. The movement's been stupid, man. It's been so stupid. That's why I think last week I pulled up the weekly bar chart. It looks ridiculous. Actually, I don't think I've had a cortado. That's an espresso shot with, is it foam or what is it? I feel like they're all just variations of like some form of a coffee bean, some form of other liquid. What kind of coffee does Gabagool like? He's not allowed to have any anymore. It's making him too pumped up. He needs a sedative. Does Mexico grow coffee? Do they? I feel like you got to go South America really for it, or like even under Mexico, like Nicaragua, Costa Rica, I think. All right. I'm wondering if I just buy this. So why the fuck not? I gotta try a long here. I don't know. See if we put new highs in. Oh yeah, VIX did move off of the highs there. What's the CLC rule? I don't know that part, show. We've topped out here 1, 2, 3 times. So, see if, I mean, ES is obviously doing its own thing, but this could be another top out. Looks like a stop here. Micros got there first. Oh, context location confirmation. Gotcha. All right. I don't mind flipping short. But of course, you know, I'm like, all right, let's go long. Market's like, time to pull back. Yeah, Kevin, I think a lot of people have struggled in April, and May is still proving, you know, more of the same kind of. See if 400 holds here as a rejection point. What's up, Chester? What are you barking for? Is somebody mowing a lawn like 300 feet away? It's pretty scary. Here's 400. April Mare is so good, just buy it. Well, I did. Obviously, it was a bit late in the move. I understand that. Just... All right. All right, 400 holding here potentially. All right, I'll try the short. What's up, Byron? How you doing? Yeah, Parshav. I know that one's a crying, laughing one. Yeah, I got it. It's so quiet in here. It is so quiet in here. It's been quiet the last several days, I think. It's all right. Sometimes I do feel like I'm just in here talking to nobody, though. Parshav, stop trying to educate me with Gen Z slang. Well, Grizz isn't here, Eddie. Grizz had to fly to Texas and escape all-time highs. Dan, you want me to teach you what a scallywag is? No, I'm good. These TBTs are evals. This is day 3 of the evals. Keep talking to yourself, or else I'm the weirdo. Nincompoopus. You're just making stuff up, Trent. Honestly, I'm kind of struggling with the short. It's not really like 5 minutes. We're just consolidating up here. We could easily pop in, grind higher. Scopical bargain. I mean, it's probably this guy that mows this like cul-de-sac across from us. It's not even a big deal. Yo, Juice, what up, man? It's going all right. How you doing? I think I'm about to get burned on this one. Vix is just dropping. I might just kill this. I kill it. I kill it early. Not looking so good. What time is sunset now in May in Chicago? It's around 8 p.m. I think. What were you in? I was in a short. I was looking for 400 to reject there, so it was, and I got short, but it stopped looking good, so I just killed it for a small loss. Were you in a long, Lee, or are you in a long? Why you got your caps lock on? Why are you yelling at me, bro? I got no faith in shorts. No faith. Well, Carmine tried a couple shorts and didn't get paid. I don't really know trading, but I just come here for the banger background music. Thanks, Justin. Phasematic's the guy who mixed most of these tracks. Under PDH here, I might short. Just I don't know. Do we remember to like the stream? No, I think most of you forgot. Only 41 of you liked it. It's okay. I don't take it personally, guys. It's not the last thing I think about before I fall asleep at night. The moment you re-enter, my profits are getting wiped out. I'm just gonna short it. Fuck it. I don't care. Don't worry, Trent. I shorted. So, oh crap. Yeah, no, we're both gonna lose money now. We are doomed, bro. You use likes on YouTube as a bookmarking tool. Don't take it personally. Oh, really? Just add to watch later or something. All these short moves, man. You get a nice move, you start feeling good. Buy up, buy up, buy up, buy up, buy up, buy up. Next thing you know, you're back at break even. Honestly, I hate that shit. Now pay me. Pay me, bitch. Am I allowed to call the market a bitch? Pay me. Come on. Make me happy. Come back, you son of a bitch. Shit, man. It's kind of stressful shorting this stupid market. That there was to knock out anyone who's at break even in a similar trade. That little wick. Do not just buy up now. Do not do that. He's so fucking ugly, dude. I feel like it is trying to run break even stops. I swear. Botan, you were way behind with the stream. Were you so far behind I was like profitable still? That was a while ago. Jeez. So annoying. Dan, is Rachel also from Illinois? Neither of us are from Illinois. Don't get it twisted. We're both from Indiana. Shit. Where you live, Byron? We're in Indiana. Let's go. Come on. I don't know. I'm from India. I don't really like India. I find it very boring. Well, come on. Glad I shorted it. Why are you in long? Do we go into Chicago a lot to do stuff? Not a lot, because it is the traffic and everything. It's just kind of a pain in the ass. Like if we went to the city Friday at like 5 p.m., it would take us like an hour and 20 minutes probably to get where we wanted to go. I'm pretty close to the airport. Airport's an easy drive, but to get to the actual city, it can be a pain in the ass. You know, when we drive to the city, you know, it might take over an hour, and then like on the way back home, be back home in like 35 minutes sometimes when there's no traffic. Just kind of depends. Well, I don't know. Should I take this off? I might take this off at break even here. It's just so. It was a mini risk there, so it was a lot. Please don't drop now. All right, Jasper, you can win this one. What is BFE, Byron? An hour east of South Bend? The hell's over there? Isn't that Ohio? I don't want the drop because I just killed the short. The drive from downtown Chicago to O'Hare Airport can take like an hour. No, I didn't say that. Oh, Egypt. Okay. Amish country. When I was in 4th grade, we had like a Amish class or whatever that we were like homies with. We went up to Napanee, Indiana, and hung out with them and played basketball in their barn. It was wild. No, from like downtown Chicago to O'Hare, you can probably get there in 30 minutes. I don't know. Just kind of depends. Dogs do not like what's happening with the market. They are in a state of distress. Oh man, back to 400 level. I wish VIX was back up at the highs, then I'd feel like, okay, yeah, we might move lower. Now I don't really feel that way. I just think we're just gonna grind higher. I think Nas can go take out the highs. Might take a minute, but what's oil doing? Yeah, oil might be dropping here. That'll only help the market. I'm from Indianapolis. Marion County Hospital, I think is where I was born at. Lived in Indy for the first 18 or so years. See if we can get a little. I'd love to see just like a little pop, little explosive pop. Yeah, I grew up near like across the street from Geis, essentially. Yeah. Are you in Jasper? Are you in Hamilton County or Marion County? I was on the Marion County side. Nice job, Jasper. Nice trading. Gotcha, yeah. Marion County. Yeah, what the hell is that, Parsov? You need $200? I need like $800. Long or short, I don't know. I've been wrong in the last like 3 trades, so I would go long just because. Well, I don't know. Just not long here. I don't like, especially ES could be double topping. Look at these candles on ES, so pathetic, dude. Tiniest little fucking candles on the 1 minute here, just the slowest grind that could just get wiped out in one red candle. But it does look like we're making a move for highs on NAS. That's my thought anyway. All right, let's go for the highs then. Yeah, if you'd bought the dip every day, you'd be on live now and half retired. Yeah, gotcha, Byron. Nice. All right. See if we take out the highs here, 34 3/4. Seems plausible. There we go. Took it out. There. Yep. Took it out. A little rejection here. Maybe that's some capitulation. I'd hate to say now we can move lower, but maybe. Yeah, Kevin, I agree with you. He said market's the biggest uptrend in forever, and I've lost so much money. I mean, that's why day trading sometimes is. I mean, that's why swing trading sometimes is so much better. Why to go all the way up to Napanee for going to school in Indy? I don't know why. I mean, I don't know, maybe our teacher had a connection there. I don't really know. But yeah, it was a drive. What's the funded rules for the Take Profit Trader on those 50% off accounts? Well, want to pull it up on Profit from Gorilla? We can do that. It's probably the easiest way. But basically, you want to reach your buffer once funded. And while you're trying to reach your buffer, you are an intraday trailing drawdown. I'm eyeing a potential long. This is a retest of this previous top here. I'll try it. Oh, fuck it. That could be capitulation high, though. Yeah, you can pull out anything above the buffer. Yeah. Well, Jasper, aren't you long? I just want to get along with you. There's Luhan. Where you been, man? No one's trolled me for a while. Oh, you're short? Oh, dang. I missed the memo. Jasper. $431 entry. Pretty nice. Alright, I gotta call it a day here, chat. Oh, shitty fucking day. I don't know. This market can go fuck off. I don't know. I just can't get on the right side of it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.